Let us begin with the first session, that is linear equations in one variable. We have to start the exercise 2.4. I hope all of you remember what is linear equation and how to solve it. So the first question there is, Amina thinks of a number and subtracts 5 by 2 from it. She multiplies the result by 8. The result now obtained is 3 times the same number she thought of. What is the number? So last day what we learned is we have variables on both the sides of the equation or equal to sign. Now you are going to frame the equation in which you may get variables on both the sides. Okay? So let us read the question once again. Amina thinks of a number and subtracts 5 by 2 from it. So we do not know what number she thought. You are supposed to find out the number she thought of. Okay? So let me start with that word. Let x be the number. So what happened according to the question? Subtracts 5 by 2 from it. So according to question, 5 by 2 is subtracted from x. Okay, 5 by 2 is subtracted from x. Then she multiplies the result by 8. So multiplied this result by 8. So what is the answer we got? It is given that the result is 8. Okay. Sorry, the result by 8. Then she got it, the result as 3 times of the same number she thought of. So the result is equal to, should be replaced by equal to 3 times of the number she thought of. I hope you remember when I started this word problem part, I explained in the class that twice means we have to multiply by 2, 3 times means multiply by 3. So here the number we took, or the number she assumed, we took it as x. So 3 times of x. So according to question, we get x minus 5 by 2 into 8 is equal to 3x. Now please listen, how do we solve it? Here you have a bracket and multiplied by 8. So first I am going to open the bracket using distributive property. So first 8 should be multiplied with x. So we get 8x. Then we have to multiply it with the minus 5 by 2. So we get minus 5 by 2 into 8. This is equal to 3x. Okay. Now those who are able to do the simplification as your own, continue with your own easy way. So what I am doing here is a common way that every child can adopt. Okay. Now I am going to collect the x terms together to one side of the equation. So I have 8x on LHS, 3x on the RHS. So I am going to bring the 3x to here. Now I have a constant, that is 5 by 2 into 8. It is, when you simplify, you get it 40 by 2. That is going to be taken to the right side. Okay. So this becomes 8x minus 3x is equal to 5 by 2 into 8. Now look here, I can cancel the 2 and 8. I get it as 4 times of 2. So my answer becomes 8 minus 3x is 5x, right? So I get 5x is equal to 20. So obviously x becomes 20 by 5, that is 4. So what is the number she thought of? Answer is, the number is equal to 4. Okay? The number is equal to 4. So look at the answer part once again. The student whose name is given as Amina, think of a number, that is we took it as x. She subtracted 5 by 2 from x and multiplied by 8. She gets the answer as 3 times of the number she thought of. So according to question, we made this expression Now we have to simplify the expression. So open the bracket with the distributive property. So 8x minus 5 by 2 into 8 is equal to 3x. And next step is collect the variables together to one side of the equal to and the constants to the right side or the other side of the equal to. So 8 minus 3x, that will give you the answer 5x. On the right side, 5 by 2 is taken to the minus 5 by 2 into 8 is taken to the other side. So 5 by 2 into 8, 2 and 8 cancel. We get the answer as 20. That is 5x is 20. So x is 20 by 5. That is answer is 4. So our answer is, the number Amina thought is 4. Okay. Now let's go to the second question. So let us read the next question. It's given that a positive number is 5 times the other number. So a positive number is 5 times another number. So there are two numbers now. Okay. So I'm going to take the first number and second number. Students, I think some of you are disturbing. Please mute yourself. Okay. There are two numbers. First number, I'm going to take it as s. Let the first number be x. It's given that positive number is 5 times another number. So second number will be 5x. You can take it in any order. I think someone is disturbing. Can you mute yourself, children? I don't know who is that. Please mute yourself. Okay, now come back to the question. A positive number is 5 times the other number. So I took one number as x. So obviously, according to the question, the other number is 5 times of x. It's given that if 21 is added to both the numbers, so x becomes x plus 21, and this is also added with the 21. Okay. Then, so 21 is added to both the numbers. Then one of the new numbers becomes twice the other new number. So one of the number is twice the other new number. So this is our new number. Okay. This is our new number. So what is the original number we took? X and 5x. So which number will be greater in case of x and 5x? Obviously 5x, right? So similarly, when 21, the same constant is added to both the positive numbers, what do you get? It is x plus 21 is the new number and the 5x plus 21 is the other new number. So which one is the greater number? 5x plus 21. It is given that one number is twice the other number. So definitely bigger number will be multiplied by the smaller number, right? So we can write now according to question. When you compare these two numbers, 5x plus 21 is the bigger one, right? So this will be equal to twice of, twice means 2 multiplied by x plus 21. Please take care of the sign on the right side. 2 into bracket x plus 21. Never write 2 into x plus 21. This is wrong expression. I hope you can understand the difference between these two expressions. So please do it carefully. X plus 21 is the number that should be multiplied. Okay. So here, now we need to simplify. So this is going to be 5x plus 21 is equal to 2x plus 21 into 2 is 42. Now collect all the x together to one side. We have 2x to the on the right side to left side and 21 to be taken to the other side. So 5x minus 2x is equal to 42 minus 21. 5x minus 2x is 3x. This is equal to 21. So x is equal to 21 by 3, that is 7. So the question is what are the numbers. Therefore, the two numbers are, okay, the two numbers are, we have x and 5x. So, 5 times of 7 is 35. So, our answer is 7 and 35. I repeat the answer part once again. It is given there are two positive numbers in which one number is 5 times of the other number. So, I took the first number as x. Then according to question, the second number is 5 times of x. Then 21 is added to both the numbers. That is, with the first number as well as second number, 21 is added. At that time, the new number, one of the new numbers. So when you read the question, you can clearly get it that definitely the two numbers are different. One is greater than the other number, right? So here the greater number is 5x plus 21. So that number is twice of the other number. So twice of the other number is 2 into x plus 21. Open the bracket using the distributive property. Then collect all the x terms together to one side, constants to the other side. So I collected 2x to left side, I get 5x minus 2x as 3x. And 21 is taken to the right side, I get 42 minus 21 as 21. So x becomes 21 divided by 3, that is 7. So we have got one of the numbers as 7. Then the other number is 5 times of it. So 5 times of 7 is 35. So the numbers are 7 and 35. Now let's go to the third question. Okay. Before I start the third question, I just want to remind you all about a basic concept which you must have learned up to class 5 or even in 7th standard you learned with the bigger numbers. For example, I'm giving a number 25 to 2. Do you know the expanded form of this number which you learned in class 3, 4 or maybe in 5? How do we write the expanded form of the number? There are two places in the number. The first place is units digits, or you can say ones digit. That these are the two words which we use to represent the place value of the first digit from right. The second digit is in the tens place. Okay, tens place. So how the number is formed is the number into its place value, right, should be added with the number into its place value. So we get the answer as 25. Okay, this concept should be there in everyone's mind. So in other words, if I say 5, or let me choose some other number, okay, 7 is in tens place and 3 is in ones place. So what is the 2-digit number? Since it is a 2-digit number, you can immediately write the number. But how do we frame? That's a basic thing that should not be changed. 7 into its place value, okay, which will give you 70, plus 3 into its place value, it's in the units place, so it comes as into 1. So 7 plus 70 plus 3, the answer is going to be 73. This is the way all the numbers are formed, whether it is a 2-digit number, 3-digit number, 4-digit number, whatever is it. The number into its place value should be added with the next number into its place value plus etc. Okay. So please keep this in your mind when we do the next 2 to 3 questions. Okay.